Hello friends, welcome to my new blog. So friends, in this blog I am going to explore the ongoing building constructions of Govt Secondary School Bijoypur. So stay connected till the end of the video. Before I start exploring the building constructions, let's explore the new water tank which was sanctioned under the scheme of SWD, and the average height of the water tank is almost 50 feet. As of you can see the view of building constructions over there from the mid height of the water tank, and to the left side is the subcenter of the Bijoypur one. So guys, let's move over the ongoing building construction. This is our main road, which we can directly connect to Tinsukia through this road. Now you can see our secondary school of Bijoypur 1. So friends, due to COVID lockdown, the environment and the surrounding become quite jungle and greenery. As of the school is closed down till the further normalcy. And friends, now I'm going to take you to the ongoing building constructions of Bijoypur Secondary School, which is extremely proud feeling for our community as a whole, as well as for the students. They do not have to go outside for their matriculation studies, as because they can study here till the matriculations with a very low budget. As you all know, our people are economically very weak. You can see friends, as I'm going inside the building, and again I'm going to show you each and every things of ongoing building constructions. And friends, if you like my blog, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Hit the like button and please share it to your friend circle. Thank you friends, see you in my next blog.